Look at this. Don't touch the shit. Yeah, don't. Wait, is the GM fucking killing us? Where is he? No way it's another fucking GM. I don't believe it's a GM. I'm not going to Westfall, am I?
Your reality ends here. Your fate is sealed.
Fate is ours to determine. We will set things right.
Go through the gateway, now! Death awaits you.
Should we fail, all reality will pay the price. Come, their secrets can guide our way forward.
The way is open. Death claims
What's the boss?
of your world. All that you see, all that you know, will be undone. Bear witness, mortals, to eternity's end.
I don't think the trailer was that bad. I think that was pretty good. Oh shit, I'm actually able to log. Oh, holy fuck. Okay, dude, this is the first time I've streamed WoW in like probably over 6 months. This is so weird. What the fuck? Oh my god, there it is. Okay, Kalia, Pelagos, Talnara. Okay, we've got all the usual suspects. So what happens if I jump off into cinematic? I don't think they planned for somebody to do that. So how do I get back? Wait, so how do I... Wait, how do I get back? Did I... Wait, what? No way. No fucking way. Am I out now? Oh, actually, wait. There's something I need to do. Maybe I could use a new motherfucking mount. On the last day of this... On the last day of the season, I finally got my mount. I farmed out over 30 wins. There it is, boys. Let's see what's in the vault, too. Before I go and do the quest, I want to see what's in my vault. Okay, let's see if I get the new gear or the old gear. Here we go. So I should have 3 PvP 2400 boxes unlocked. Oh, what? It gave me the old gear. Man, what the fuck, dude? All right, guys, let's go ahead and check out the story. Let's go. Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. All right. Let's go talk to this guy here. It takes too long to fucking walk over there. Okay, Talnara, honored voice. I'm ready to go.
Until we speak again.
There's one final sigil needed to pursue Zoval. Oh, here we go.
With the Mawwalker's aid, the covenants have been renewed.
Wow.
Yet one sigil is still required to pursue Zoval. The Arbiters.
Though her presence is lost to darkness, her voice still sings within us.
Sounds like a shitty religion.
Blessed be her voice.
Sounds like a really shitty
Together,
religion.
we shall manifest the final sigil.
Well, that was easy. Oh, wait, no, these are the other ones. Kyrian, Necro Ward, and then the Venthyr.
This is our purpose.
Are they gonna Captain Planet this shit? They respawned her. Oh.
The way is open.
What's the yellow thing? We're going to heaven. Wait, what? We're going to war. Bro, what the fuck? This. Oh my God. What? Are we winning? Oh. Oh shit. Wait, that's my gladiator mount. Wait, what? No, it's a different... Where'd the armor go? What? How does armor go away? This is a world quest. It's a world quest in, Okay, we did it. We beat the world quest. Nice. Just disenchancer? Wait, where'd the... Do I have armor or not? Oh, shit.
Go through the gateway, now!
Oh my god, we can't get back. Oh my god, we can't get back. Oh, fuck, man. Oh, no. Oh, fuck. Can I use my Hearthstone, though? Alright, I can still go to Dalaran. Yeah, never mind. We're good. We're good. Okay, so here's Zareth Mortis. Holy shit. This is the infamous water that they've been talking to us about so much. So let's go over to the edge here and see what happens if we jump off and die. Okay. 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 Okay, so we can't do that. This is just like Earth. There's a giant ice wall around the whole area. Yeah, this is just like Earth, guys. This is crazy. Wow. Okay. Admittedly, I did not foresee this result. Yes. Wait, it said I failed. It said I failed. Look. Give me a hand failed. Oh my god.
I'm so close to understanding. Oh, hello.
Okay, come on. Come on, click it. Everybody else is getting failed on the quest too.
Will I ever
Oh my god, it failed me again. Blizzard. So does the jailer just like win now or what? Because like, I mean, if we can't even...
my research.
If we can't even finish this quest, I feel like the jailer just kind of wins by default here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is, oh my god, wow. All right, so what we need to do is we need to get over to here and we need to jump up to here and then glide down to the bottom, or sorry, to the base of this area. Quest? Yeah, we'll do the quests after this, okay, guys? I know people want to see that. We want to know, I mean, this story has been going on since Warcraft 3. So, like, we kind of want to see where it's going to go. Okay, I was able to get up to here, and then up to here. I'll kill this, so I can hopefully get another one here. Got it. Keep it up, guys. Up to there. Yeah, let's keep going up a little bit higher. 14 years later, and you're still only level 60. Yep. Yeah, I know. Alright. Okay, good job, Bash Cutter. And we'll go all the way up to here. I really don't know if we can make it from here. If we can't, it's gonna be so close. Like, it's gonna be so fucking close. I could probably get up to there. Let's try to look over this way. All right. I've got an idea. You move up so I can intervene you. Okay. Watch what I do here. This is called the Dubby. All right. Let's go up this way again. All right, let's try again, guys. It's okay. So we're gonna try to get all the way up to the top. Maybe I could try from over there. I don't know yet. You're so close, man. You have to jump up and intervene. So move back a little bit. Move back a little bit, and I can intervene up to you. Move back. Yeah. There you go. Oh, bro, you gotta move back. You have to move back. All right. Come on. Move up just a little bit. Okay, that should be good enough. Maybe a little bit more, but that should be fine. Yeah, slash target wark. Okay, let's do it. Got it. Nice job, guys, by the way. Really nice job. Okay, we've got up to the next level. Good. Okay. Jump up there. Good. Nice. Okay, we're making it. Bro, we're actually gonna make it. Straight up, we're actually gonna fucking make it. Holy shit. Oh my god. I don't got glider? Let me see. What server are you? Oh, you fuck. Okay, can you buy some? Buy some on the auction house, man. I'll put down a mailbox for you. Oh. You made it? Okay. Alright, give me a minute. I'm gonna go. Alright, guys. You ready? Go whenever I go. Everybody get over here. Get ready to go whenever I go. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit, we made it all the way over here. We got to this. We got to the sepulcher before the jailer did. Well, how about that? We beat him here. Fuck yeah. So what happens if I try to go into raid? Let's see. What if it's unlocked or something? Yeah. Start summon. Summon everybody over here. Oh, bro. Wait, bro, put it on normal. Put it on normal. It says it's only for mythic. It says we can only... Yeah, put it on normal. No way we can zone in. No fucking way we can zone into the raid. Put it on put it on heroic. Put it on heroic. Maybe they fucked up. Yeah, put it on heroic. I know this sounds really stupid, but like I just want to see if it'll work. No. Okay. So yeah, this is the raid entrance right here. Wait, there's a birdie boy up there. There's a birdie boy up there. I see that. Yeah, look at that, dude. Guys, there's literally an invisible wall. We cannot go past this. What? Guys, get ready to summon me back, okay? We're going over to that water right there. Oh my god. We're already out of the map. Holy shit. And that's where it goes to. Oh my god. We're in the air. Oh, let's go over there. Okay, alright, let's figure out how the fuck are we gonna get over there. Let's go to here, go to here. Come on. Okay. Bro, I cannot believe that we just went through the invisible wall like it was fucking nothing. Like, we just like, boom, right over, we're through it. That's it, it's done. I'm like, oh man, like, I straight up had no idea. Only warriors did? Yeah, I know, it's great. Wait, Dragon, can you get up to the edge? Get on a two-seater. Get on a two-seater, dude. Get on a two-seater, and then come down to, like, right here. We got him, boys. We got him. Okay. Nice. Let's kill, Kek Bufo, or whatever his name is. Yeah, let's kill him, and then we're gonna do the rest of the exploration, okay? Yeah, let's do that. Wait, what? No way. No way. Oh my god. Over here? Oh, you want to try that? Okay. Alright, let's get summons out, and then one... Oh! Okay, I can glide over to there. Okay, let's do it. Oh, you can't... Okay, so you can't collide with that, unfortunately. Yeah, they were onto our tricks. I'm gonna take a piss and then we're gonna start. I'll be right back. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Wash your hands? Nah, man. Why did I wash my hands, dude? I got a clean dick. Why would I do that? All right, here we go. And aiming, I'm gonna try to aim for right here. Does this look good? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god, it worked! Wow! Holy shit! That's insane! And it's like, so this is all part of the raid here. There's a bunch of people down below me. Yeah, I'm already in the raid, guys. It's that easy. And there's nothing happens if I go into this portal, right? Not really. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. I'm so glad it worked, man. I'm actually so happy that it worked. Holy shit. Damn, dude. Show the map? Okay. That's where I am on the map right now. So, like, there's actually another whole island here. I don't know how to get over there, but I'm sure that we could. It shouldn't be that hard to do. God fucking damn. Yeah, look at that. Okay, jump into water. I don't think I just died from fall damage, I'm pretty sure. Holy shit. Okay, so now what should I do? I feel like I can jump to the other one, but there's like probably nothing really over on the other one either. I just wanted to see what would happen if I could get on top of one of these, man. I feel like there's like no way we could get up that high. Like if I had a fresh falling flame with 50 stacks, I could probably do it by queuing into like arena skirmishes and then resetting it over and over and over and then using the falling flame to push my character higher. Like that would be the only thing I could do. Like yeah, I feel like that's the only way I could get through it or anything like that. Stone back to stone. We can keep leaping up the mountain. Yeah, sure. Oh my god. I don't think I'll actually make the jump there. I have a feeling I'll get close, but I won't quite get there. Yeah, like I could go over to here, for example, but I don't think it's really gonna do anything. Like I'll try to go over there. Okay, here we go. I don't think I can make it. I'm like 90% sure I can't make it. Yeah, I can't make it. I'm right here. Okay, yeah, this is an interesting predicament, isn't it? This water isn't walkable like it's supposed to be? Wait, what? Let me go down there and see. So we can swim under some of the water? Wait, what's this? What do you guys think? Should we jump down? I think it's gonna kill us if we jump down. I think it kills us if we jump down, guys. What do you think? Do we do it or not? It does? Fuck. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Is it gonna kill him? Connor? Come on, Connor. You can do it. Looks like he's okay. Wait a second. Oh, he made it. Connor made it. Okay, I'm gonna go over there then instead. Also. Actually, wait a second. I've got to wait for... I'm gonna wait for my glider to be up again. Okay, Connor made it. And we'll just try to land about where Connor was at. Leap? No, I'm worried that, like, if I... So what I'm assuming is that there's, like, a verticality thing where because he's, like, a little bit lower here, Connor's here, he's here, and he hit a threshold. Yeah, I'd feel much more confident doing it with the cloak. And that's why I'm not trying to use another toy to go down there instead. Yeet. Okay, and I'm almost ready to do it. The pillars you were on are the stairways to the top. I'm sure they are, but the odds are that we're not able to get up to the top. Like, although that's cool, I don't think we... Wait, what the hell is this? Oh, we don't want to go down there. Okay, and what about that one? That one just looks like nothing. Alright, guys, let's do it. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me go ahead. Let me go ahead. Actually, okay, yeah. Let me go ahead in case I die. Like, let me be the guinea... Wait. Where my wings at? I ain't got no wings. What? Oh my god. Can I or not? Wait, don't go. Okay, yeah, I can. All right. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. We've made it to the end of... Yeah, we've made it to the edge of the Matrix. And that's the pattern of the sky right there. We have to go deeper. Yeah, we beat the game. We're gonna wait for glider, guys. We're gonna go down to there. Before we do that, though, I want to go and check. Oh, this is a new one. We want to go kill him in a minute. I see the world is now flat. Yeah, I know. That's what the jailer knows, and that's why they put him in the maw. Is because he figured out that the earth is flat, and they didn't want to have the information get out there. So they had to put him in jail. That's why he's the jailer. Don't jump down, you die. Wait a second. Let me see here. Wait. What? Okay, I got stuck on a wall. Connor's dead. So you guys are saying, like, if I try to jump, I'll just get fucked? Where's Connor? Connor's dead. So Connor, did it like insta-kill you or what? It's barely at the threshold. Fuck. Fuck. Dude, I wish I had another one. I could go up to there. How can we get over there? Darkmoon Cannon won't hit me up. It won't push me up high enough. A GM? Yeah, that would help. Another Falling Flame? Great idea. Really, really good idea there. Nitrobuse fall into glider. Gravity wall doesn't work. Okay, I'm just gonna try to glide over to that and see what happens, okay? Yeah, and we need to do the quests anyway, so I just want to try this out and see what happens, okay? And I'm gonna head over there right now. Yeah, this should be the best idea, right? I just jump on over there and we see what happens. Wish Aviana's feather still worked? Yeah, true. Okay, let's do it. What happened to him? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Look at this. Don't touch the shit. Yeah, don't. Stop, stop, stop. Everybody stop, stop, stop. Stop. Wait, are they killing us? Wait, is the GM fucking killing us? Where is he? No way it's another fucking GM. Jibu says he got killed too. I don't believe it's a GM. Wait, my character literally doesn't exist. Can you guys see your character? Oh wait, no, I'm over here. Okay, never mind. Deathlog? You died. I died from falling gravity. Yeah, try to res me. Do we have a healer here at all? Like, oh god. Oh god, Odin, be careful. Be careful. Oh god, Odin, no. Oh god. Oh no. Syphid, what are you gonna do? Want to get res sick and climb the mountain with me? What mountain do you mean, Connor? Now, I'll look at it in a minute, okay? Die like a warrior. And come over to me. Come over to me, Syphid. Come over to me. Jesus Christ. I never thought that today I would lead my viewers into a mass suicide. But here we are. Here we are. Let me take res sick, okay? And I'm not going to Westfall, am I? Oh, fuck. Yep, there it is, boys. There it is. So I landed in Azeroth. That's what happens. It all ends, yeah, it all leads to Westfall. So, like, basically, what's gonna happen? Where's my body? What's gonna happen is the jailer is gonna spawn at the Westfall graveyard, and he's gonna start killing everybody in Azeroth. Yeah, that's actually how... That's at the end of the Sepulchre of the first ones. It's the portal to Azeroth, and it takes you to the graveyard at Westfall. That's gotta be what it is, right? I mean, that's gotta be the end of the story. He teleports here, and he sides with Van Cleef, and they take over Azeroth. Yeah, it's all led back to this. And it's all been part of the grand plan. I wonder if I could go all the way down there. Let's see if I can. I mean, I can't get double res sickness, right? Can I do this? How low can I go? How low can I possibly go before it kills me? If I can get under... Oh, I'm dead. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yep. I can't do it.